Hello you guys and welcome back to another vlog. Today is a full little maintenance video and fixing up the little stuff that is going wrong in my car. And by that I mean my destroyed lip is so ugly. Oh my gosh. I'm finally gonna take it off and take off the wrap and then see if I can salvage it and paint it. If not, I'm gonna have to get a new lip. And my side skirt is falling off. The 3M tape that it came with it was so bad. So I'm just gonna replace it and fix it back up. I'm due for an oil change. I have been lagging on that and that is not a thing to be lagging on. We don't want to be blowing stuff up here. It is the next day now. I'm gonna start with my oil change and then fix my side skirt, take off my lip like I said yesterday, and yeah. Look at the weather, it's so nice. Oil type for you FRS BRZ 86ers, and I believe it takes like 5.7 quarts, so I got the 5, got my 1. I'll be using the Mobile One oil filter. The last one I used was the K&N, but I decided to pair them today. I don't know, it'll be okay. I'm letting the car warm up now, maybe for like 5 minutes, just so the oil can get a little loose because it is the morning and it's a little cold. Sitting here, but I literally feel like I'm just fixing a broken car, even though it's not broken, but like my lip is destroyed, my side skirt is going bad. I want to show you guys what happened. So I hit it when I was leaving this one meet. We like went through like this really tight turn and hopped the little sidewalk. We all hit our wheels. Like my wheels are so curb rash now. My side skirt took a hit. Not good. Like the 3M is officially like all coming off. It took the wrap with it. It's just like no bueno. Like, I mean the 3M was strong and it was on there. I mean look at how strong it was if it took the wrap with it. But the thing is, like when I hit, all this went up and then it jammed my door and I could not even open my door until I moved it down. So now that the side skirt is like sitting way lower, I'm scraping all right here. Like the way I come home, there's so many speed bumps, so like I don't know, it's just bad. This is what came loose. The bracket is loose. It's like out of place. I need to fix that. This one is out of place. I didn't even know this one was this bad. But yeah, it's a day of fixing this broken mess that I have. My wheels are getting bad again. It's just this side, like the passenger side, that I did hit really bad that day. Look at all that curb rash. I don't know if you can see it. But yep, using this 14 mil for the oil drain plug. Holy. Okay, we got her, peeps. I don't really have a good grip on this thing. Oh man, I like the smell though. Oh. Off this license plate rod thing and putting on a new one. So this is why I had to take off my bumper to take off my lip, because it is bolted down from the inside so that it wouldn't come off. And I mean, it didn't come off, it stayed on. The only thing is I messed it up bad in the front. I got a bumper with no lip. A lot of missing chunks now. Like this whole chunk I didn't even know was missing until right now. The wrap was covering. This is on. This is so bad. Look at how I'm just chilling. I might just like throw this away. This lip is done for. I might just order another one. This one, they don't have it in stock anymore, and a lot of people ask me what it is, and it's from eBay. It's called the CS style lip, but it's out of stock, and I want it again, but they don't have it. Now, to put it back on, and to fix my side skirt, the other one. Back to the no illegal side with the no license plate. If I had the whole cover for the bumper, I would not run the license plate, but it looks ugly with or without, so there's no win-win. Refix the side skirt. Put some new 3M tape. Guys, look at these damages. Oh no. They're like bubbling. Oh no. I'm just gonna take it off, put the brackets back on, put some new 3M tape. I bent the brackets. Look at this. These are supposed to be straight and they're like, I'm gonna clean the area so that the 3M sticks. Officially have the lip off, have my license plate back on. The side skirt is on there again. This is the only minor thing, but it's okay. That thing is on there. The new 3M tape is way stronger. My camera died, but yeah, I'm basically done with everything. I'm really sad about my lip. If you guys have any lip suggestions that would look good on the 8.6 bumper, let me know. Because, I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking, but yeah. That one is donezo's. To remember how many miles you had, if you don't want to like take a picture or something, set your little odometer trip thing. I just cleared my trip A, so now whatever trip A reads, I'm gonna see how many miles I've put on it since I did my oil change, so make it a little bit easier on me. Finished everything. It didn't take too long. It took me maybe like 2 to 3 hours. It was just more of a hassle to like have to take off my bumper and like have to take off the side skirt and like heat everything up. It was just like, you know, everything went pretty smoothly, honestly. I couldn't find the new brackets. I literally saw them the other day and now they're gone, so I don't know if maybe my dad or someone moved them. Just try to use the brackets as they are. I only ended up using one because the other one was just really messed up and bent, but the other one kind of bent back in place. I was just like hitting it, so I think it's gonna be good, hopefully. I'll keep you guys updated if it holds up. Look, reminds me of my old color.
It's the same thing.
I know. Just got his FRS. Another one. Lights, color. The beauty of the front. Dirty my car is. We're waiting for Sunny, Ariane, Alex. Coming soon. Repping my brand. I just told you guys what it was. I don't even know if I'll keep that in there or not. First one caught on camera. Look at all of the gunk. Look who came into my washing bay. Then he traded in his STI for an SS. Edwin. Eddie. Okay, I lied. This is Sunny's car.
What do you have done to it, sir?
Cool car. Oh, just intake.
Intake?
Intake, muffler delete.
Is that Ferrari? What is the diameter of the exhaust? Like 1 inch?
2.5.
I'll get to the mic so they can
Talk
hear you.
nice to me.
That's how Genesis.
I got my boba with no boba.
Poser.
Don't come at me in the comments. I know.
Yo, that's sick, low-key.
Guess who pulled up? The baddest car here.
Right-hand drive.
The man of the hour.
Is that him? Is that Hugo? The right-hand drive?
Where'd you guys park?
There's a Target truck trying to come in, and all these cars are blocking it. He's gonna go in.
He's trying to work.
He's gonna, all those cars have to move in.
Going to help.
He's gonna show his Class A driver license.
Eddie's going to help him.
Record him.
Truck driver to truck driver. Because Eddie knows what he's doing. He's a truck driver. They're bullying me from my lip.
The guy that was moving.
Just tell her, get it off.
In this video, it's literally gonna come off.
Yeah.
BMWs are growing on me so much, and I want one. Like, look at this. Look at this. I don't know why the light looks green. Xavier Wolf. I'm wearing my Xavier Wolf shirt.
Yo, this is so realistic. The flowers.
Yeah, the flowers look really realistic.
Oh, that bug looks realistic. Oh! It's actual. It was a real bug.
Oh. Eddie, what are the odds you jump in that thing? Out of 5. You get it, you do it. I'm not in this.
Like if she gets the same number as you, you're gonna do it.
On 3, we say a number 1 to 5. You ready?
Say it at the same time. At 3, you have to say a number.
1, 2, 3, then we say the number. If we get the same number.
Got the number? Got the.
Many men.
3.
1, 2, 3, 1.
Ah.
How long have you had it?
Like 5 months. I think I fixed everything with it. Changed the body.
Yeah, take your time on it, bro, you know?
We're leaving. We're getting brand. So I think this is where I'm gonna leave it off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.